If your bank account looks like a desert, you're a financial adventurer. Let's hunt for treasure. First up, we have high-stakes investing. Think big money moves like cryptocurrencies or hot stocks. Imagine putting $100,000 into a cryptocurrency that skyrockets by 1,000% in a month. Boom! You've got $1 million. Next, let's talk online business scaling. Got a small e-commerce store pulling in $100,000 a month? Time to crank up your marketing and reach more customers. Scale up those efforts and watch your sales soar to $1 million per month. Finally, let's dive into luxury goods flipping. This means buying high-end items like designer handbags, watches, or even real estate and selling them for a profit. Picture snagging a luxury watch for $50,000 and flipping it for $100,000. That's a cool $50,000 profit. There you have it, folks. 3 ways to earn millions in a month. Remember, making money takes risk and effort, but with the right strategies, you can hit that $1 million mark. Keep hustling.